Hello everyone, we are here on FESPA Barcelona 2026 with a brand new product from Neolt Factory.
The printers need automation. We saw the needs of the market, of the end user, to find a way to make all the printing process more automated, and that's why we start to work with HP.
We have our automatic feeder and stacker, it's called Lift, and work directly with HP R-Series. Here we display with the R2000, but it's also available for R1000 and the 530. And in US it's distributed through Cutworks. So for make your R2000 fully automatic, that's the solution. You load 40 centimeters of media, rigid media, and the machine automatically feed into the printer, fully automatic, no human hands.
At FESPA, where global leaders in print come together, one solution stood out: a seamless integration between HP's latex technology and Neolt's advanced finishing systems. Founded in Italy, Neolt has built its reputation on precision engineering and innovation in finishing solutions. For decades, the company has specialized in laminators, cutters, and custom systems designed to enhance productivity and quality in print workflows.